In this class, we will discuss evaluation of herbal drugs. We will cover introduction, herbal formulations, method of drug evaluation, herbal drug formulations, evaluation of formulations, learning objectives. Crude drug, naturally occurring unprocessed drug derived from plant, animal or microorganism intended for human or veterinary uses like medicine, nutritional supplements, dietary fibers, ingredients, or cosmetics. These are mainly fragmented or broken plants, cut parts of plants, fungi, or algae, lichen in an unprocessed state, usually in dried form, but sometimes fresh. Certain exudates that are not subjected to specified treatment are also considered as herbal drug. They are precisely defined by botanical scientific name according to binomial system, genus, species, variety, and author. The binomial nomenclature system is given by Carolus Linnaeus. This depends on genus and species. For examples, neem leaf, dried leaf of Aja directa indica. Herbal formulations. These are usually obtained by subjecting the herbal drugs to treatments such as extraction, distillation, expression, fractionation, purification, concentration of fermentation. Herbal drug preparations includes extracts, essential oils, extract juices, processed exudates, and few herbals drugs that are subjected to size reduction. For example, herbal teas or powder for encapsulation. Herbal drug formulation like tablet, capsule, aerosols, etc. are obtained from herbal drug preparations, for example, tripla tablet. Evaluation of herbal drugs involve confirmation of its identify and determination of its quality and purity and detection of nature of adulteration. The methods involved for evaluation of herbal drugs: organoleptic evaluation, microscopic evaluation, physical evaluation, chemical evaluation, analytical and biological evaluation. Now first we are going to discuss organoleptic evaluation. Organoleptic evaluation is also known as morphological evaluation. It depends on the morphology of the plants or plant parts or any drug contained in crude form. It means we will evaluate the confirmatory test with the open and naked eye and appearance on touching, smell sense and sense organs by human beings. The drug evaluation by means of sense of organs and included other sensory organs like color, odor, taste, size, shape, and texture. If we consider the drug in crude form, we will identify in this evaluation color, odor, taste, size and shape of drug, and it's also include the texture of the drug. The texture of the drug microscopic evaluation. Microscopic evaluation in done for detailed examination of drug before examination through microscope material is prepared by powdering, cutting thin section of the drug, in which involved palisade ratio, vein isolate numbers, histometal numbers, histometal index, histometa, vein termination number, trichomes, calcium oxalates. These are all examined under the microscope with special condition by cutting of tears and cutting of different ratio manners of the plant's part. The photographic representation shows the TS of Dhatura metal, and another variety of Dhatura is stramonium. This is the TS of Dhatura metal, and also shows the TS of fennel, Feniculum vulgare. If we consider the photographic image, the image shows the transverse section of Dhatura. The transverse section shows a bifacial structure. The following characters were observed in the lamina and midrib. In the lamina, it has the upper epidermis, which is single layer rectangular cell covered with cuticle. Both covering and granular trichomes are present. The covering trichomes are unseriate, multicellular, whitely, and with blunt apex. The magnification of Dhatura TS shows the palisade cell. Palisade cells are readily elongated, single-layered, and compactly arranged. The outer structure of leaf shows upper epidermis, lower epidermis, and trichomes. After cutting the section, transverse section shows phloem, xylem, crystal, spongy parenchyma, collenchyma, lower epidermis. Under the lower epidermis, we will shows the stomata, and we can calculate stomatal index, palisade ratio, and vein isolate number, vein termination number. These are parameters we use for the evaluation of the drug, and these parameters play important roles for the detection of the drug and confirmation of the drug in the form of evaluation as the microscopic evaluation. One more bright stone parameters physical evaluation in the category of evaluation of herbal drug. In the physical evaluation, we will identify the different parameters, identification, test for foreign matters, loss on drying, moisture content, residue on ignition, determination of solvent extractive value. Extractive value, we will consider both water and alcohol soluble extractive, heavy metals, pesticide, residue test, microbial contamination, total alpha toxins and orcha toxins, assay, bitterness value, swelling index. Now we will discuss physical evaluation parameters methods. Method for evaluation parameters identification. It is usually done for authentication of drug as well as identify an adulterants. The various methods are available: microscopic characters, macroscopic characters, TLC means thin layer chromatography, high performance thin layer chromatography, HPTLC. Test for foreign matters. Any organism, part, or product of an organism other than named in specific and description of the plant material is to be termed as foreign matter, which does not have any medicinal properties like soil, stone, sand, and dust. These materials is considered as foreign organic matter. These are material is mixed with the original drug during the collection, or it can be deliberately mixed for gaining the profit. For detection of this, the procedure involved take about 10 gram of sample was weighed and sprayed on the white tile uniformly, or any official books which refer the quantity of the drug, which can be vary as per the material without overlapping. Then sample was inspected by means of 5x lens, and foreign organic matter was separated. After complete separation, the matter was weighted and percentage was calculated in weight by weight. The next method was loss on drying or total solid. Loss on drying, it is determined both water and volatile matter in crude drug. It is determined as percentage weight by weight. Determination of moisture content. The percentage of active constituent in crude drug is mentioned on air-dried basis. Hence, the moisture content of the drug should be determined and should also be controlled. The moisture content should be minimized in order to prevent decomposition of crude drug either due to chemical changes or microbial contamination. The procedure involved the powdered sample drug take 5 gram accurately and kept in IR moisture balance, infrared moisture balance. The loss in weight is recorded as percentage moisture with respect to air dried sample of crude drug. Next one, residue on ignition. Remnants of crude drug after incineration contain mostly inorganic salt and non-volatile inorganic components known as ash. Method involves take 2 to 3 gram of air-dried crude drug in a tiered platinum or silica dish and incinerate at a temperature not exceeding 675 plus minus 25 degrees Celsius. Then collect the ash on ashless filter paper, which is free from carbon, cool, and weight. Calculate the percentage of ash with reference to air-dried drug. Muffle furnace can also be used for this. Further, the acid-insoluble ash and water-soluble ash is also done for evaluation. The percentage of total ash can be calculated by this formula. The learning objective of this lecture is various methods of evaluation of herbal crude drug as well as formulations have been studied. It is an important parameter for the quality and efficacy of a formulation. Thank you.